Earlier, people used to ask, do you even go to the gym? Now people ask, which gym do you go? What diet you are following? Today I am 70 kgs. I lost 44 kgs till now. Hi, my name is Vishal. I'm a 31 years old IT professional. Right now working as a manager, and this is my transformation journey. So I was obese since childhood, since the age of 5 years. In my school life, I was never active. Whenever there was a games period, I was always fond of sitting in the corner watching others. All because of my overweight, I couldn't run, I couldn't walk. My friends didn't bother to take me in any of their teams, and all I used to do is just sit alone and watch the game happening. I was a big time foodie. All I could think of was always food and what kind of food I could grab my hand on. I was very fond of sweets, cakes, pastries, and anything that has taste in it. Since childhood, these habits cultivated, and it eventually increased my weight year by year till I reached a weight of 114 kgs. Due to overweight, my back issues were causing troubles. Whenever I used to climb stairs or walk a little extra, my knees used to pain. I also had a ligament injury in past, so that also just contributed to my struggles. I came to know about Fitter when it was known as Squats. When I joined this group on Facebook, I got to see some really amazing transformations on their group. I saw some of the transformations which were really unbelievable. Coincidentally, I walked through the profile of Vijay Pardeshi, who's my current coach, and when I looked at his transformation, I could totally relate to what I have gone through my life. From there, the real transformation started. First thing that my coach changed was my diet, because that was a really big change that was needed. I always had less calories, going by the fact that eating less calories will help you lose weight. Vijay restructured my diet plan, took care of my nutrition. He designed a diet plan which would repair my metabolism first, and then we could focus on my fitness. There was nothing changed in it, but it was just a restructured diet plan with everything in quantified way. I was never deprived of my favorite food. When I participated in TC12, I faced a lot of challenges. When I started doing the exercises with correct form, I realized that my form was always wrong. That incorporated some injuries. That was corrected with my coach's help. I just stick to what my coach asked me to do, and I always stick to my workout plan and nutrition plan. So I wake up in the morning by 7. I take my black coffee and some snack before hitting the gym. So my routine involves 6-day split with majority of weight training and a little bit of cardio. So post workout, I take my first meal of the day, some protein rich breakfast. Because I have a sitting job of almost 10 to 11 hours, I focus very much on nutrition throughout the day, and my all meals are distributed in such a way that I am getting all the macros in proper balance. Due to this workout and nutrition plan that I follow, it just helps me cope up those daily life stress and anxieties. One thing which helped me in following my nutrition plan was my inclination towards cooking. Usually diets are assumed of boring food, boiled food, sprouts and salad, but that was not the case with Fitter. I used to bake cakes, I used to make a variety of dishes, but all within my nutrition plan and my diet. Before I started my transformation, my weight was touching 92 kgs, and after my TC12 transformation ended, the weight touched around 75 kgs. Today I am 70 kgs. I lost 44 kgs till now. My waist size has reduced from 40 to 34. That's a 6-inch loss in my waist size. My shirt size has reduced from XXL to M now. I wear a 39 size t-shirt or a shirt. Wardrobe got totally changed, and that's really motivating. It makes me happy when I look myself in the mirror. The very first reactions which I got when I posted my picture of six-pack abs on Instagram were like, "Acha Photoshop kiya hai, nice editing skills." Some people used to ask, are you taking any drugs or pills? But that is what the beauty of Fitter is. It helps you gain knowledge about nutrition and workout, and it makes you transform naturally. This transformation not only just helped me transform physically, but it changed my complete attitude towards life. Continuing my fitness journey also helped me tackle these mental issues. It enhanced my focus, made me more productive, and eventually helped me perform better in my professional life. So to all those who are looking to start their fitness journey, I have this one advice: stay focused, stay consistent, and give your best. Take one day at a time and try to be just 1% better than yesterday.